Do you need some motivation or some new energy? Then this yoga sequence might work for you. I created it together with rituals. It's made to boost your energy. It's a standing sequence, so you can do it anywhere, any time of the day. I hope you enjoy it. So let's do this sequence standing, so you can do it anywhere, maybe somewhere in the corner of your office. And let's start by shaking out. So you can bend your knees a little bit and make sure you can move. You feel unmotivated, so let that energy in. Energize your body. Swing from side to side. Use your breath. And then on your next inhale, open your arms up towards the ceiling. Make your spine long. And exhale, step your right foot backward and keep reaching up forward. One breath here. And on your next inhale, reach up, look in between your hands for a nice warrior. Place your foot on the ground. And exhale, open your arms out to the side, look over your left hand. On your next inhale, reach out towards the back for first warrior. And exhale, reach out to the ground, open your arms for a triangle. And then you place your hands on the ground and you straighten your left leg, and then you open up your arms, reaching forward, and your back foot reaching backward. One more breath here. And then on your next inhale, calm down again. Then straighten up, breathe in and exhale. Lower yourself down for a nice standing forward bend. And also here you can swing from side to side, energizing that body again. Let the blood flow through your head. And from here you can bend your knees slightly and then you reach up towards the ceiling, sitting down for a nice Utkatasana. One more breath. And then you come up, reaching up, and now you step your left foot backward. Keep reaching forward. And on your next inhale, reach up, look in between your hands, place your foot on the floor. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, open your arms out to the side, look over your right hand. One more breath. Inhale, reach backward. And exhale, reach forward, bring your hand to the floor, open up towards the ceiling for triangle. And then you bring your hands down. You balance yourself up. Right foot or left foot reaching backward. And keep reaching forward with your hands. One more breath. And then come back center, reach up, inhale. And exhale, fold forward. Last time to let that blood flow through your head for some more motivation. Then bend your knees for the last time. Reach up, sit back. One more inhale. And then exhale. Straighten your legs. Bring your hands in front of your chest And bend that right knee, bring the sole of your feet on the left inner thigh. Letting some clarity in here by grounding after moving. One more breath here. And then lower yourself down to standing. You're done. I hope your head is clear now, and I wish you a nice rest of the day. Namaste.